Tumurike ripoti yege kuma kaunti ya Murang'A kuria gavana wa kaunti ya Murang'A newe Irungu wa Kang'ata naruguretie mubango wa guteithia atumia aria mohete nda kuona kaingi makoragwo makihatiririka muno makariria ni undu wa kuha thabari cia gukinya nginya thibitari-ini niguo kurigitwo kuria marikoragwo makiamukira mbeca cia gwika uguo. Atumia aria mohete nda kuma kirwara ni manyitete makinya maria matacukitio ni gavana wao makiuga ati ne mekumateithia hanene kuona atiri maria mukagira mbeca cia kumateithia mahinda maria marakorwo makigia ciana. Tore mwandiki wa mohoro Jackson Mwandiki aratariria.
Hii inahusu
atongoria kuma kaunti ya Murang'A matongoretio ni gavana wa kaunti no Irungu Kang'ata maruguririe mubango wa atumia aria mohete nda gukorwo makirigitwo na kuria uruguriirio thibitari-ini wa kirwara gicigo mbunge gia Gatanga. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu augite bata wa mubango uyu ni gukorwo giteithia atumia na njira nene hari njira njega cia kugacirithia ugima wao wa mwiri undu umwe ni maria mukagira ciringi 2,000 thutha wa kugia ciana.
We shall be doing what we call transport reimbursement of 1,000 for each visit if you are pregnant for 7 months and above. And also during delivery we shall give you 2,000.
Oho augite mubango uyu ni gukorwo giteithia muno makiria atumia aria magiagira ciana micii-ini yao ngiao makiaga uhoti wa gwikinya thiini wa thibitari.
There are many mothers who have been delivering at home because of lack of transport reimbursement. They can't afford transport to the nearest maternity. So as a county we came up with a package that we shall be reimbursing transport for our women coming to public facilities for antenatal clinic and also for deliveries. So for visits 1,000, for deliveries 2,000. So we are coming to launch that program here. That way we will boost maternal health care parity rate, and you are risking the life of a mother if you deliver at home. You are risking the life of the child if you deliver at home, and other developmental problems that usually come.
Dagitari Samuel Kinyanju yaugite mubango uyu ni gukorwo giteithiriria atumia na aria matehotaga gwikinya thiini wa thibitari undu uria augite ni marikoragwo makiamukira mathomo ma uria mangigacirithia motungata mao na makiria mahinda-ini maria makoragwo mohete nda.
By the governor and the county health team are eager to get the mothers to come to the ANC as early as possible, to be consistent and to deliver in the facility where any complication can be taken on the community health workers' phone. They will be using that one to register mothers in the villages. We are concerned particularly getting those mothers who generally don't come to the facility. Bring them as early as possible to the hospital so that they can get trained education. They can also get on how to take care of themselves, the baby, the nutrition, the family planning, and many other things that are necessary for both the mother and the baby's welfare during pregnancy and delivery.
Atumia kuma guku Gatanga ni matugiritie makinya maria matacukitio ni gavana wa Murang'A makiuga riu ni marihotaga guthie thibitari.
Na tumefurahia sana kwa sababu ya gavana wetu Kang'ata kukuja na hii program ya kusaidia wamama wajawazito na kutupatia hiyo fedha yenye anatupatia. It's really helping kwa sababu mama mjamzito ataweza kujipanga during hiyo process ya kubeba mimba na hadi kupata mtoto. Margaret Njeri kuma itura ria Kimandi nake no ungianyitete mbaru makinya maya akiuga mathina maria maramugumagira marari maingi ta wagi wa mbeca undu uria riu thina wao ninitwo ni Kang'ata.
Natarajia kupata mwingine. Sasa tuko na shida mingi juu tulikuwa na shida mingi juu ya kukosa pesa ya hospitali, pesa ya nini. Sasa saa hii gavana wetu alituambia tutapata pesa ya chakula, pesa ya kutusaidia kutununulia vitu. Sasa tukakuwa tuna furaha.
Riu ni moriti atumia angi na aria mohete nda gwitikira gwikinya thibitari-ini kwamukira motungata ma kliniki.
Watu wakuja kliniki, it's very important na ni healthy. Watu wakuja hadi scan siku hizi ni free. Mtu akuje angaliwe kama mtoto wake ako salama, kama hayuko salama daktari atakwambia the next steps to take.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma thibitari-ini wa kirwara gicigo mbunge gia Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'A njitagwo Jackson Mwandiki.